This 2026 Entegra Coach Ethos 20T is a Class B RV. It is located in Ladson, South Carolina, 29456 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charleston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2026 Entegra Coach Ethos 20T is built on a RAM ProMaster 3500 window van chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.